If you want Claude Code unlimited access, then follow me and you'll get the Claude Code unlimited access for free. For that, first you need to install node.js. It's very important to install node.js because without node.js you cannot run Claude Code. So after installation of node.js, just install it after like normal Windows XE. Click next. Click next and click yes, and node.js is getting installed. Yeah, it got installed. Click finish and node.js is successfully installed in your laptop or PC. After that, what you need to do is go to terminal and click node/v. You will get which version you are currently using, and after that go to the Claude website, which will be given in the description, and just paste the link in the terminal, and the Windows PowerShell will start installing the Claude Code in your laptop or PC, which will get started. Don't get panic if it doesn't start in your PC. It takes some time. Just be patient and wait. Yeah, it started. It is saying that you do not have Git in your laptop, so for running Claude Code you must have Git. So I already installed it, so we need to install Git. I am installing it in my laptop. Yeah, it's installing. To run the Claude Code, you must have the git bash, so it's very important to run Claude Code, so I'm installing it. After installing Git, and you need to allocate the path also, so I'll show you the process of how to allocate the path. Now copy the code and paste it in the terminal as usual. Same process. Now it will get successfully installed in your PC. See, you could see installing Claude Code native build latest. It's getting installed. Yeah, it has given a setup notes. You could see it is saying to give the path. That's what I said. you need to allocate the path. I will show you how to allocate the path. For allocating the path, you need to copy this, which I'm copying. Yeah, just copy this and go to environment, system environment variables, and environment variables again. In path, edit, double click and paste it. Click OK, OK, and OK. So you have allocated the path to Claude Code. Now the Claude Code is running. Click 1 for dark mode, 2 for light mode, whichever you like, use it. And for adding the subscription, yeah, for unlimited access, I'll show you. Go to C and search for .claude, and in .claude you will have a file named settings. Open it now, notepad. I'll give you a code, you need to paste it in the notepad. This will be given in the description as well. Just scroll down, and in project setting files, copy this code and paste it in the settings notepad. Just paste it. Yes, after this will also be given in the description. You need to create an account. In this, you will be getting an API key from this. Yeah. Create an API key. Get API key. Create. Just give a name. I'm giving it as Claude Code. It has no expiration, so it's unlimited access. Just copy the API key code and in the settings notepad, just paste it over there. Anthropic authentication token, just paste it over there. Your API key which has given. After pasting, just copy this thing and paste it again like I did. Just copy it over here. Yeah, and now remove the API key thing and just type model, model. Yeah, and the model is also from the open router. There are many free models available in the open router which are very powerful, and yeah, just type free. And you can also have NVIDIA Neutron 3, which is super good, which will give you very quick loads. Yeah, and after this, just open a desktop, just create a new folder in your desktop. I'm creating a demo project just to show you guys how it working or not. Open in terminal. I'm opening it terminal and I'm just clicking Claude. The Claude will get opened in the demo project file. I'll click one again. Yes, I touched this folder. Now, yeah, the Claude is working. You can see the Opus now defaults to 1 billion context, facts, more room, same pricing, you can see. And just creating a project over here, /init. Yeah, I'm just creating a simple calculator in Python which will add, subtract, multiply and divide. You could see it's very quick. Yeah, you could see it has given me the calculator.py. I'll just click to yes, allow all edits during this session. Click yes. It's asking, do you want to proceed? And now the calculator.py will open. And it's done. Now the calculator.py will open. Yeah, you could see the calculator is running. Now I can add, multiply and subtract. It's working free. You can use it unlimited times. Thank you so much, and please do subscribe to my channel.